Hello and welcome to Culminate Your Life. Today I'm sharing a DIY to show you how to create a prayer journal cover for your journal.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to transform this very inexpensive little notebook into a prayer journal. And it says on the front of it, it says make today awesome. It has, I shared this with you guys in my haul video for Dollar Tree, and how this particular journal notebook has the brown paper in it, craft-like paper, and then white in the back. And this definitely would be enough to carry you through a month at the very least or more. So I thought that I would try to transform this and show you how we can kind of personalize this very, very inexpensive journal into something that is more suitable for and happy and joyful. But I do like it that it says make today awesome on here, and I think that's cute, but I'm gonna go ahead and change it. So we're going to use the cardstock. This is two-sided. I'm gonna use that, and also some embellishments. Create a pocket, which I told you guys I was going to do for you guys in the last video. See if this will work. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Yeah, this will work. Bring some color side here. Won't be like a whole complete pocket, but it'll be where you can at least still tuck your prayer notes in, or pads. I like these because they give you a variation of colors. You can mix them up. I'm going to just play around and see. See if I can lay these out. If it's best to go this way, if I have enough room, or I may need to go the other way, straight down. go with these. Those are really cute. Plus they have brown in them. This will pick up the brown. So cute. My camera cut off, guys, so I wasn't able to show you adding the washi tape to it. This is the washi tape that I used, and it's from Walmart. My husband got it from Walmart. So I did add that. Adhered. Let's see, what else would we like to add here? Not much, because we are just about done, guys. I love these because they're already done for you. You don't have to cut them out. All you have to do is just pop them out. That's cute. I'm gonna go with this one that says hope, because the joy has that blue in it, and I don't care for it. Oh, this is one whole sticker. This is one whole sticker. Wow. And Faith is torn. It's alright. Sometimes you just have to improvise, guys. I don't think I will get any more of these type of stickers. I don't care for them. I probably won't use them again. Hope. Because prayer definitely gives you hope. Hope that things can get better. Hope that things can be different. Hope that God can have our cover done, and I absolutely love the way it looks and how it turned out, and what we've done with it. And so now you're ready to journal, for the most part, unless you want to decorate your pages. If you want to decorate your pages and all, then you just keep going. But I at least wanted to show you guys how you could take a very inexpensive journal and turn it into something that you know would really love and and use and enjoy. I don't know, it's just something about color and adding color to things. It just changes just the way it just makes me feel good inside. when I work with color, and I look at it and it makes me happy. So anyway, you can do it any way you want to. You know, you don't have to do everything that I've done here, but this is just to give you an idea of what you could do if you don't, you know, want to invest like a whole lot of money into an expensive planner, but you still want to go ahead and get started with your prayer, with your faith, fitness, and finance journey that we're doing along with Pam 22, Pam, fellow YouTuber, and the Princess Prayer Warrior group. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tutorial. I enjoyed doing it for you. You guys make sure that you give this a thumbs up if you would, please. I would really appreciate it. And leave me a comment down in the comment section below and give me your thoughts on this, and if it's something you think that you would want to try at home. And follow us over on our social media, Instagram and Facebook, Cold Nature Life. And of course, you can join our group as well, which is Mimi's Classic Crafts and More. That's our craft group, doing the faith and fitness journey there as well. So, love you guys, be blessed, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.